How do you feel about leaving the cruise?
Gonna put you ready to go. Morning expedition team, so it is finally disembarkation day, so we are going to be finishing packing up some stuff and heading out of the ship. So stay with us as we show you how to disembark when you don't use the baggage service and you carry on your own bags. We only have carry-ons, we didn't check any bags, so that makes it a lot easier. We're gonna be showing you guys just the whole process so as you walk, as you walk out of port. And yeah, so stay tuned. Take a vacation.
Guys, we're gonna start walking out. Zaya's in charge of her stroller.
A lot of work today, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I'm following you.
Yeah, I hope you get your people.
No, it's not.
Bye-bye.
Take care. You rather pull the bag?
I'd rather pull my bag.
You got it, babe?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the long hallway out. How do you feel about leaving? Don't touch the lamp. How do you feel about leaving the cruise?
Gonna put you ready to go.
Why you feel bad? You're going to home.
Because I want to stay on cruise for one more day.
What are you gonna do on one more day?
There's more things as I can do. I can do as much things as I can do.
Which one's gonna? I pressed it already. They want to keep us here.
Oh, this one down.
Wait, if there's somebody in there. Nope. Okay.
No. Come on, come on.
Pull, pull, pull. Come all the way to the back.
It's over.
Yes.
It's over.
That's how she feels right now.
I don't want to go back to
really?
reality.
Oh, I'm ready.
You're ready.
Yeah.
Well, we're staying tonight in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
we
doing
are
the same
too.
too.
Yeah, we don't fly to Texas till tomorrow.
We're from Texas.
Yeah. We for forward.
How close I
We're from
am.
Lake Buchanan, west of Austin.
Oh, okay.
Out by Marble Falls.
Okay.
We're far from each
Yeah,
other.
we are far.
Safe travels home.
Likewise,
same
guys.
to you.
Thank you.
Get a picture of Sunday. You
Yeah.
gotta hold that right quick. That's the best part.
Leaving on Sunday, right?
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Go ahead.
Gangway, right?
Yeah, here.
This is 5.
Yeah, that's where we come on with.
Oh, right. I forgot. I'm thinking like, well, I don't know why.
Go ahead, close that.
Gangway, like, when you get on the boat and the port.
Jonathan's trying to keep us on. Bye, teacher. Awesome to you.
It's in there.
Gangway exit this way. Follow Daddy's eye. This is the last time in the cruise. Taya, careful of the people around. So you're just pretty much walking out the cruise, guys, when you do your carry-on. You could grab breakfast. You see people are eating breakfast over there. They're probably having a coffee. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we're walking out. The next adventure. There's a baggage claim area. So then once you exit the gangway, you'll end up at the baggage claim area, and I'll just show you guys really quick, just in case we're not allowed to record. To baggage claim, and you're pretty much done. Go, walk down. So when you got no bags, you take a different line, and this is the baggage claim area to get your bags. So this, if you had checked your bags, you would get your bags here. If not, you just walk right out to the curbside to get your Uber. Okay, yeah, we are out. They scan our face on the little machine. We're out. If you have a passport, it's pretty quick. And off to the Uber ride outside.